La Cornue ranges have always represented a celebration of all that is glorious about France and the French culinary tradition. They exhibit timeless style and summon an expression of truly refined taste. Your taste, your style. La Cornue ranges are as unique as each owner, and therefore, we believe, something quite extraordinary. Our ranges are cherished by our clients as a commissioned piece of art, not only used to create masterpieces in the kitchen. The ranges themselves are considered by most to be a masterpiece in the kitchen. La Cornue leads the industry in this regard, but has never lost sight of its own storied heritage. Grounded, yet forward-thinking. Traditional, yet cutting-edge. Culinary-focused, fueled by creativity, and beaming with paternal pride over every elegant range we produce. In 1908, in the heart of Paris, Albert Dupuy ignited the flame of elite cuisine. It was there that Dupuy premiered the world's first convection oven. At the time, most ovens were mere flat-topped cavities that held racks suspended over a fire. The majority of people simply considered cooking to be heating food to eat. But Dupuy pondered, what does it really mean to cook? He developed his oven with a vaulted ceiling to usher heat around the food, rather than trapping it to burn beneath. To enable optimum precision, the oven drew upon the city gas lines that were winding their way to homes and street lamps throughout the City of Light. Dupuy christened the oven La Cornue, after the French term Cornue, the system for refining the gas that warmed the new creation. For over 100 years, La Cornue has continued to build upon Albert's initial convection innovation. They've expanded the design, introduced new styles, but still maintain that it's all done for one reason, and one reason only: the pleasure of the customer.